Hello guys, today we prepare the buns without yeast. Because instead of the yeast, the classic yeast, we will use the baking powder that usually we use for the cakes. For this recipe, you need 280 ml of water, 350 gram of flour, plus I will use 100 gram of flour that is all wheat flour stone ground. Usually we buy always some strange flour to try it, and after we forgot. So if you have some flours that you are not using, you can add to the classic flour. In total will be 450 grams of flour, plus 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vinegar that we need for the baking powder, and 2 or 3 will be enough tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. If you like, you can add some seeds. I will use sesame seeds on the top of the bread. So now we take our cup, we put inside the water, the salt and the vinegar. After we add the flour, we mix very well. When is everything well done, we can complete with the 100 grams of flour that we have put apart, the other kind of flour, with the baking powder. And naturally, we should add the oil. After when our dough is ready, you can use a little bit of water to wet your hands. You give the shape to your buns. You put inside the sesame seed, and you can bake in the oven preheated at 230 Celsius degree for 5 minutes. After, you need to down the temperature at 210 Celsius degree. After 5 minutes at 230 Celsius degree plus 15 minutes at 210 Celsius degree, our bread is baked. Now I waited a bit that the temperature cool down, and after I go to taste it. But be careful, don't miss the tasting, because I will test the bread with the homemade salami, a new recipe that you will see in the next video. spectacular. The bread is very, very good. With the salami, I had some problems that you will see in the next video. So check the next video to learn how to do the salami and what to avoid in the way that the salami will be always good. Bye bye.